Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RTTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where these green line annotations are coming from, and they both actually play vital roles in today's analysis. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, 37 cents there was that level of support. But now that the price broke below it, you would expect it to act as resistance. And that's exactly what played out today. Yeah, the price actually did get itself up above there temporarily, but that didn't last very long, and the price fell back below it. Tried again after, it fell back below it to get above it, but right there was immediately rejected. So I'm not saying that 37 cents can never be broken or anything like that. My point is that it makes sense why the price is now struggling right around that area. So in the very near term, that first key level of resistance is indeed going to be the level right there at 37. Now, on the bright side of things and on the good news front, it's, everything right now is still just a healthy pullback, meaning, yeah, it came back here. But let's say that this green line here, which I talked about previously, continues to hold as support and then eventually starts to work its way back upwards. I mean, what would you still have in this situation from the big picture point of view? Well, you'd still very clearly have a set of lows there. You'd have those lows down there if you envision those as stair steps. Well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. So yeah, overall, everything is still perfectly fine. Now, I also realize that this is a matter of perspective, meaning if you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 7 minutes, well, yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking really rough. But assuming you do care about the big picture of things, even with the pullback, even though this level of support has now been converted to resistance, still got an opportunity to chip away and build that higher base by staying up above that 30-cent mark, which again is that green line right there. So it's really just a matter of perspective on whether or not this is still a bullish or bearish chart for you. But yeah, the week is still young, 3 days left. Let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.